Welcome to this learning path. In this section, we are going to explore the different settings and configurations available inside Meniuu. The goal here is to help you understand the main business account, which is the primary dashboard used to manage the restaurant. This is where many of the key settings live and where you can get a broader understanding of how the system works. One of the first things we will cover is logins and user roles. You will get a general overview of the different types of logins used across the platform and what each one is for. This includes roles such as waiter, cashier, cook, driver, hostess, manager, and business owner. It is important to understand that each role has a different purpose, and in many cases, each one works through a different app or interface. Because of that, their settings can also be different. In this learning path, we will help you identify which configurations belong to the main restaurant account and which ones belong to each individual role. We will also explore where to edit the menu, where to manage modifiers, and how products and inventory are connected to dishes. This is important because inventory can be linked to menu items so that usage can be tracked more automatically through recipes and item consumption. We will also review analytics so you can better understand how to read the data inside the platform and how to use that information to make better operational decisions. Another important area is the bank account section, including where it is connected and what it is used for inside the system. We will also talk about social media links, what they are for, and some best practices for using them. As part of operations, we will go over live orders and pending orders, how to manage them, how to read order statuses, and how teams can work collaboratively using the order flow. We will also review how to read tickets more clearly so your team can get better performance from the tool and better coordination across roles. In addition, we will explore the settings located in the sidebar, especially the Settings section at the bottom, as well as the My Restaurant area and the Edit icon where restaurant information can be updated. This includes configurations such as the restaurant name, address, phone number, logo, operating hours, open days, tax settings, delivery options, and whether drive-thru is offered. We will also cover how to turn the restaurant on or off when needed and how to adjust those core business settings correctly. Another topic included here is how to connect integrations such as Google Business Profile and Facebook pages so they can sync properly with the restaurant account. Even if some of these topics were introduced in previous tutorials, this learning path gives you a more complete view of the available configurations and helps organize them in one place. And, just as importantly, we will also highlight settings that may not have been covered before, especially those related to the access and configuration options available to each role. So, overall, this learning path is designed to help you better understand the configuration side of Meniuu, the structure of the business owner dashboard, and the difference between platform-wide settings and role-specific settings. Let's begin.